Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today I'm going to be preparing Zuppa di Patate and Porri, which is potato and leek soup. This recipe will be in my cookbook the next generation. Let's get started.
The ingredients that we need: potatoes, chicken stock, leeks, salt, black pepper, thyme, cheese, onions, and butter.
We're going to begin the soup by pouring the potato into the pot. Go ahead, little Gianna. Excellent. Now we're going to do the leeks. Okay. Go ahead. The soup is finished. I'm going to add my Parmesan. It's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.